Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use AI caption generator in Instagram Reels. So guys, you just need to open up your app, and then what I need from you is to go uh, to your profile picture on below. And alright, I will show you how I got there. And then I want you to go to these three vertical lines on the top right side and tap on it. And then I just want you to scroll down until you see accessibility and translation, and tap on it, on that option. And then as you see, there are three options: translations, captions, and dark mode. So what's the subject of today's video is how to use AI caption generator in Instagram Reels. So just need to go through captions, and then I want you to select always show closed captions. So by clicking on or by tapping on that option, you will get AI caption generator automatically in your Instagram or on Instagram Reels. Anyways, guys, I guess that's enough, and that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and bye bye.